Hello guys, CJ here and I am back with another video. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get you updated every time I upload a video. So today, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to pump up your Instagram stories just by using the Instagram's default font and brush tools. So without further ado, stay tuned and keep watching. This is a photo of a spiral staircase in one of the resorts in Taal Lake, and I would add a good morning greeting in this photo. And I will start by typing the word good using a modern font, and then I prefer picking colors that are native in the original photo to achieve a uniform look. And then that's it. And then I type the word morning using the typewriter font with spacing. Actually, I suggest if the texts are shorter, please use appropriate spacing. And I also use the same color that I used for the word good. And then to achieve a more sunny day look for this photo, I added a sun sticker. And then I just place it just above the word good. Alright, that's it. And then to highlight the word morning, I select the highlighter tool with maximum size of the tip. And then to spice it even more, I use the regular pen tip. I pick the color, I lighter one, and then just tap each letter of the word morning to highlight it. And that's it. Looks good. This is quite an old photo taken during one of our trips in London back in 2013, and I would like to add adventure is worthwhile as the text element for this photo. And then I would type adventure with spacing using a modern font. That's it. I won't resize it, but I will copy it because I would like to have a drop shadow effect. And I will paste using the same font again, and then pick the right color, a lighter one, and then I'll just place it above there, and I will align the word adventure, the white ones, but a bit offset to create that drop shadow effect. And then I use typewriter font for the word is, then resize it and place it just below the word adventure, just right at the center. And then for the word worthwhile, I use the neon font with spacing as well. And then after that, copy, select all, copy, and then paste and repeat the process because we would like to have a drop shadow effect. And then paste the word and then pick a color that you want. And then after that, just align it with the white ones but a bit offset. And that's it. A simple picture with a simple combination of different text fonts. This one is quite time consuming, but the result is really amazing. So I started by typing the word happy using the classic font with highlight. After typing all the letters, I arranged it according to my preference. So I want it this way. And then I will change the color of each text one by one. And then I added another word, all caps, using a strong font with highlight. So just type the word, hit the highlight, and then to extend the length of the highlight, I used spacebar. Just hit the spacebar a couple of times and then choose the color that you want. And then I added text with the same format. To make all the letters of the word happy look like they are hanging from above, I just typed underscore a couple of times using strong font. And then I picked the color that matches the color of the word happy. And that's it, guys.
So that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get you updated every time I upload a video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and see you next time. Bye!